Blood vessels entering and leaving the heart. Vena cava. There are two large veins, superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. Superior vena cava, it brings deoxygenated blood from the upper parts, heart and shoulder of the body to the right atrium. Inferior vena cava, it brings deoxygenated blood from the lower part, trunk and legs of the body to the right atrium. Pulmonary veins, they carry the oxygenated blood from the left and right lungs. They open into the atrium. Pulmonary artery, it brings and carries deoxygenated blood from the right ventricle to the lungs. In the lungs, the blood becomes oxygenated. Aorta, it carries oxygenated blood from the left ventricle to all the parts of the body. Coronary arteries. Two coronary arteries arise from the base of the aorta. They branch into smaller arteries. These arteries supply oxygenated blood to entire heart muscles. Cardiac veins. Cardiac veins carry blood from the wall of the heart to the right atrium. Blood circulation in human body. And how does it work? Blood is circulated in the body by a regular contraction and relaxation of the heart. The atrium receives the deoxygenated blood from the different parts of the body via the superior and inferior vena cava. Simultaneously, the left atrium receives oxygenated blood from the lungs via pulmonary veins. Right atrium contracts. The deoxygenated blood is pumped into the right ventricle. Simultaneously, the left atrium contracts. Oxygenated blood is pumped into the left ventricle. When the ventricles get complete filled with blood, the tricuspid and bicuspid valves close with a sound. At the same time, semilunar valves open. Now, the right ventricle contracts. Due to this, the deoxygenated blood is pumped into the pulmonary artery. The pulmonary artery transports the deoxygenated blood to the lungs. In the lungs, oxygens enter the blood and the blood becomes oxygenated. Simultaneously, the left ventricles contract with the contraction of left ventricles, and oxygenated blood is pumped into the aorta. Aorta transports and oxygenates blood to all the parts of the body. The blood moves with a high pressure because it has to reach all the parts of the body. When blood moves out of ventricles, the semilunar valves close with a sound. When the chambers of the heart relax, they get filled with blood. When the chambers of the heart contract, blood is pushed out of them. Both the arteria contracts and relax together. Similarly, both the ventricles contracts and relax together. The contraction of the arteria is followed by the contraction of ventricles and vice versa. So, contraction and relaxation occur in rhythmic manner. So, thank you friends. Meet you tomorrow with a part 6. Bye.